It's so yellow!
Can you see the color?
Oh my god, it's so yellow! Oh my god! It's quite good.
Okay, so I know what you're thinking. Soony, why would you bleach your hair this horrible orange juice colour? And this is not the end result. We did kind of fix it after this. Just a disclaimer though, we have no professional experience of bleaching hair, so just be aware of that when you watch the video and don't get triggered if we do something wrong. But with that said, I hope you enjoy watching my hair bleaching experience at home. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am bleaching my hair. This is the first time that I've ever bleached my hair. My good friend Christine is doing it.
Hi.
The goal is to go like silvery or like grey.
The goal is not to ruin your hair.
So Christine has bleached quite a lot of hair, so I do trust her. So today we have to make it like, we have to put the bleach in and leave it for like an hour or something. And then in a few days we have to do the
colour. We have to tone it first.
toning.
We'll tone it later.
Okay, we have to bleach it today, tone it today, so then it will be like silver.
Sort of, depends.
It'll be white, it'll be white.
Yeah.
And then in a few days then we colour it.
Yeah.
But yeah, I'm running on like 3 hours sleep, so sorry if I look a bit rough. Okay, we're gonna start now. Christine got these bleaching kits.
I'm gonna mix this bleaching powder and the cream peroxide. I'm gonna mix them together.
We don't know what colour it's gonna turn because my hair isn't black and it's not really brown either. It's like in between. So it could either go blonde or it could either go white. We just don't know.
Or it could fall off.
It could fall off as well. Christine is gonna start applying the bleach to my head. I can just smell like toxic fumes right now and I feel like my hair is gonna fall out.
Are you ready?
Yeah. It had a really strong smell at first, but it just doesn't really smell like anything now. So guys, I have actually wanted to bleach my hair since like a year ago, but I don't know, I never really got around to doing it, and I thought I was gonna have to do it in a hairdresser, so like I was trying to save the money, and then I was like, oh, Christine always bleaches hair, like maybe she can do it. So before I bleached it, loads of people were just like, oh, don't do it, it's gonna like sting your head, it's gonna burn your scalp, prepare to like be in pain, blah 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 blah. But let me tell you guys, I don't feel anything.
For now.
Oh, because I have to leave it for like a long time.
Yeah.
Okay, well, I don't feel anything yet. Maybe I just jinxed it though.
Look at the colour here.
Oh my god, it's blonde. It doesn't hurt at all, which I'm kind of surprised about. I expected it would sting or even burn, because people are like, it will burn your head. But like, I don't feel anything.
Ooh, look at that.
Wow.
Look at this part.
Guys, we only have this much left. So let's hope it can fill everything.
This part is like completely white, like blonde. Very ugly looking thing.
We're gonna leave it for 30 minutes.
Depends on the colour.
But I think it's pretty like blonde already.
In like what, 20-25 minutes?
Yeah, in like 25 minutes. I am kind of scared to see the result, but also excited. We're just gonna wash the bleach out now. My head is starting to sting a little bit, but still nothing bad.
Yeah, it's so yellow, oh my god.
Oh no, is it bad?
No?
Okay.
Fine.
Oh my god, it's so yellow! I look like Naruto! Is it supposed to be like this, Christine?
Yeah.
The roots look cool though. So this is the colour after the bleach. And the roots are very white, but the ends are quite brassy, so maybe we should have left it a bit longer, but we can probably fix it with toning. Yeah. I can't really explain how the hair feels. It just, it feels really like hay and just a bit like artificial. It doesn't feel real anymore. We have finished toning the hair. It's still a little bit yellow, so we're gonna bleach it again in a few days time and then color it then. But yeah, I think the toner has taken out some of the brassiness, but I still think I should probably wear a hat for a few days. We're gonna wait 10 minutes, then wash it out, and then we will see not the final result, the halfway result. Okay, we're just gonna wash the toner out now.
And I think the next time we don't really have to focus too much on the roots at all. Because
okay. We're just going to put some conditioner in to save it. We are just going to finish today by putting some coconut oil in to like hydrate and heal my hair. Oh my god.
It's not that yellow, isn't it? I mean,
yeah,
it's not that brown. You smell like coconut.
We are finally finished day one. This is not the completed look. If this were the final look, I would shave my head. No, I think this is kind of what we thought it would be like. We just need to bleach it again to make it completely white, and then we can color it. It just looks like I have a wig, seriously. Like if you just cover my face, I could be anybody. So we will see you in 3 days. Hi guys, this is a few days after the first part of the video. My hair is really orange and yellow, and I've been wearing a hat for the last like days. I have had the hat on all times. I haven't really been outside that much, so it's been okay, but when I do go outside I have my hat on like fully. We're gonna bleach it again to make all the colour go, and then it should be like this, the white colour. And then we need to, do we have to tone it as well?
Yeah.
Then we have to tone it again, and then we can finally colour it with this platinum colour.
Yeah.
I'm just ready to do this because it does look so weird on the top because it has like these orange streaks, and like a few of my friends have seen me and they're just like, oh, like what have you done? What have you done to your hair? We have now finished applying the bleach, and at the same time I decided it was time to read horror stories of when bleach went wrong. There's just like a lot of stories about people whose hair fell out, or no, whose hair broke, and how you shouldn't do it at home, but I don't care. I'm gonna do it. If it falls out, it falls out. I'm not gonna pay however many hundreds of pounds it is to bleach. I actually like the white colour, but I still think we should colour it. We're gonna put the colour and the conditioner together and then put that into my hair. We're just quickly putting the colour in. We mix this platinum colour with conditioner. We're just mixing this into the hair. The colour is semi-permanent, so I might have to reapply it after a few, like after a couple of weeks, because the colour might wash out. Okay guys, so it is 2 days after we finished doing all the bleach and the colour, and this is the final colour of my hair. It is quite silver. I mean, it didn't go 100% the same colour everywhere, but I kind of like what it looks like. I think it looks quite nice. I bought some silver shampoo and this conditioner. Basically these are to stop any yellow tones coming through and to stop any brassiness, or to help reduce it, because what will happen is that my hair color will start to fade a little bit and it might turn a bit yellowish, so this should prevent that. They weren't too expensive either, so that was good. In terms of overall cost, I think this is significantly cheaper than going to a salon. So for all the products that we used, and we did use quite a lot of bleach, it was probably like 30-ish pounds. So it's really not that bad when you think about it. But at a salon, when I looked it up, it was like up to £200, if not more than that. And for a guy with short hair, which is just gonna grow out in literally a month or two, it's just not worth it to me. Even if I am going to have like a little bit of a different color to like what I would get at a salon, it's just, that's worth it for me. But I think that is everything. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you Christine for doing all of this for me. And please give the video a like and subscribe. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.